Welcome to Office 24by7. In today's tutorial, we'll look at time-based call routing, a powerful way to handle customer calls based on your business hours. With this setup, calls can be routed differently during working hours and after hours. The benefit is simple. You make sure customers always get a proper response, whether that's being connected to your team during office hours or receiving an informative message when you're unavailable. This avoids missed opportunities and keeps communication professional. Let me show you a configuration I've already set up. The flow begins with the From Object node, which captures the inbound call. Here, I selected the virtual number that should receive calls and chose Cloud Telephony under the Communications module as the object, since this is where all call activities are handled. Next, I added an If Value node to check the work hours of the agent. In this configuration, I used the Live Call object, which records call details, including time. I set a condition to validate whether the incoming call time falls between 9 a.m. and 7 p.m. Now, condition nodes like this always branch into two paths, yes and no. If the condition is no, meaning the call is outside business hours, the flow goes to a message file node. This node plays an audio message informing the caller that the office is closed and assuring them that someone will get back to them later. After that, the call is directed to the end node, which closes the flow. If the condition is yes, meaning the call is received between 9 a.m. and 7 p.m., then a message file node plays the welcome greeting. After this, I connected it to a menu node that captures the caller's DTMF input. For example, pressing 1 for sales, 2 for support, and 3 for others. Each option from the menu is then connected to an assign node. These nodes determine how each selection is routed. From there, I connected each assign node to a people node, which identifies the users who should handle the call. For sales, I selected the sales team members. For support, I assigned the support agents. For others, I picked the team handling general inquiries. This ensures the call is routed to the right people in real time. Finally, all three people nodes are connected to the end node. Ending the flow here is important because it signals to the system that the automation is complete. So, in summary, when a customer calls, the system checks the time. If it's during work hours, they hear a greeting and are routed to the right department based on their selection. If it's after hours, they get a polite closure message and the flow ends there. With this setup, you make sure every caller gets the right experience, without any confusion or unanswered calls. That's how you can configure time-based call routing in Office 24by7.